Hello there and welcome. It's Ruth here at Artful Stampin', and today it's the Christmas Stampathon, and I'm going to be stamping a one-sheet wonder with two-tone Flora, stippled blossoms and painted lavender. We're going to be making a set of cards with matching tags. So the theme this month, or the prompt this month, is to either make a set of cards with matching tags or make some cards that actually incorporate a tag in it somehow that can be maybe taken off and used again, so that, it's kind of like the gift that gives on giving, really. Anyway, so here I am stamping the main rose image from Stippled Blossoms with the saddle brown Stazon ink. And I decided to do this because later on you'll see that I actually colour in the roses using the two-tone Flora stamp, the two of the solid ones. So I'm going to let you just enjoy me watching. I'm going to let you enjoy me stamping, you watching, and I'll have a chat to you later on about how I put the cards together. So I've used the tailored tag dies to cut out using the largest tag die from that set, and I'm adding some of the really nice faux leather trim and also the, what do they call it, the bordered ribbon from the mini catalogue, and just added a cute bow on there just to finish that off. I also cut out a tag from Cherry Cobbler to have as a backing to it as well, and I really like how those turned out. Then I used the Kraft note cards and envelopes because they come already pre-scored. I don't have to cut anything out. They're great. And cut panels from the remaining Stamped One Sheet Wonder that measured 2.5 by 4 inches, and then cut Cherry Cobbler matting layers to go with them that just was like 1/4 inch extra. So 2 and, what is that, 5/8 by 4 1/8. Then I decided to finish off using this lovely Enamel Effects real red squeezy stuff. Give it a little tap once you've done it so that it settles nicely, and then also some copper as well. Anyway, I hope you like the cards that I've made and the tags. Please do go and check out the Facebook group. There'll be a link in the description below, and go and join in. So it's the 25th of the month. We set a new theme every month for about 11 months of the year to get you ahead on Christmas creations. And it's really fun to see what you create. So please go on there and share pictures of what you do this month. It will be really lovely to have your participation. Right, well, take care for now, and thank you for joining me today. Bye.